Hello, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10S. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And as you can see, from the homepage of Google Pay you can add payment method and different types of cards like loyalty, gift card or public transport. From the menu, you've got access to all of your payment methods, full list of participating banks, tutorial about how to pay, and your activity. In settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can add your account info. In contactless setup, you would be able to set up NFC and many more things, but unfortunately it's not available because it doesn't have NFC. Next, we've got help and support, send feedback, and in the end, access to our Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.